it's Miss Potts. I just wanted to go over some of the work that you are missing. So I'm going to take you quickly through our Google Classroom so you can see where everything is located. So for math, I still do not have your multiplication pretest. So if we look down here in the late or missing math work, I still do not have this one, the 5th grade multiplication pre-assessment. When you click it, you open it up, and it's going to take you to the Google form. So you need to make sure you fill this out. It's only 7 questions long. And again, this was in your email that I sent you with your late work today. So that's the first thing for math. I am also missing the multiply by tens exit slip from you. So when you click that, again, it's a Google form. You're going to click it and open it up. We did this today in class or yesterday. So it's the chapter 2.2, multiplying by tens. So we've been focusing on 2.2 this week. You should have started that yesterday. You can use your textbook. Actually, I want you to use your textbook to help you, because your assignment for this week, since you're not with us in class, is you're going to be working on 2.2 workbook pages. So on Tuesday, if I click View Assignment and Instructions, I gave you instructions. On Tuesday, which was yesterday, you were supposed to work on problems 1 through 20, which is on slides 1 and 2. Today, you're supposed to work on problems 21 to 40, which is slides 3 and 4. So you are going to click open the slides and begin working on them. You should see them open up, and it tells you where to type. So making sure you are completing those problems, and please help you, especially since you aren't with us in class, and this can be kind of tricky. Thursday, it tells you you're going to work on problems 59 to 63, and then when all of them are complete, you are going to turn them in for me. All right, so that is your math up to today that you are working on. You also have notes and a video to watch to help you also with 2.1 to 2.4. So if you play this one, the notes and the video are the same. The video actually has a teacher, which is Mrs. Cole, explaining it to you. So make sure you watch that if you get any kind of confused on 2.2. Okay, for language arts this week, I assigned you your story. The other one is not working because you weren't synced to our Google Classroom, but this one should. So you're going to open it up and you're going to go to Sabbath. Now you should log in. It's the same thing that you did with Mr. Clark. So you're going to log in using your Google email and password. And in the story, you are going to go to the section that says close read. So when I open this up, it's actually going to show the teacher view and not the student view, but I can show you exactly the assignment you're going to be working on. So when you open it up, it should take you directly to the story. For me, it might be a little bit different. It's going to take me to your assignment. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you what the story looks like. Again, it's going to take you right to the story. Me, I had to go a different way around it. So when you get to the story, From Life on Earth and Beyond, you are going to be completing the close read part. Now, this is the same story from last week. I know last week you did not get to log in, so I was giving you this week to try it out. So first I want you to do this and I'll show you what you're going to do next. So you're going to go to the close read, which is right here on the side. You click it, and if it doesn't pop up right away, it will. You're going to be completing the analyze text features, which means you're going to be underlining. Okay, you're going to look at each of these and you're going to underline what it is asking you to underline. That's the first part. Then you are going to highlight the inferences. So you're going to highlight next what it asks you to in these. And this is for a grade. And then we're going to use this in our assignments for the rest of this week. So the assignments from this week, when I go to my Google Classroom, it's Journeys Unit 1, Lessons 3 and 4. Okay, you're going to open them up. And you are focusing through today on completing the first slide, which is making inferences. So you're going to look at all those inferences you highlighted and you're going to complete this slide. Then slide 2 just gives you a text feature chart to help you, because then you're going to look at text features. You're going to use the ones that we completed for slide number 3. This is slide 3. And you're going to use those ones that you underlined to help you with slide 3. Okay? So you're doing all the way through slide 3 for today. But if you notice in your late or missing work for language arts, this was the work I needed you to complete last week. It was Journeys Unit 1, Week 2, Lesson 1. So if you open this one up, this is using that same story that I just showed you from Life on Earth and Beyond. You need to answer the questions on these slides, okay? You have 6 slides you need to answer questions for. So you need to try to do that this week too, because I can't give you a grade until it's finished and turned in. Okay, that was for language arts. For social studies, you are reading in your text. Let me get my textbook. This textbook for social studies, you are reading chapter 2, lesson 1, and then you are completing the fill in the blank notes. So if you open up these notes, you're going to see them. There are 2 slides, okay? 2 slides. So there are a total of, as soon as it pops up, a total of 13 sentences you have to fill in the blank for. You need to use your book for that. Chapter 2, lesson 1. Also for social studies, you are going to be completing the chapter 2, lesson 1 homework. Right now it looks gray, but it'll open up on your end today. And this is what you're doing for your homework for social studies. So you are going to be filling in these blanks and then writing a paragraph for social studies today. I'm going to have everybody turn this in today. And then finally, for science today, what we are doing is we are going to play a Kahoot to help us study. Now remember, when we play the Kahoot, you need 2 devices. That way you can look at the questions on one device, and then the other device you can actually answer it on. So we're going to play this because we have a test tomorrow. And I have videos right here. There are 4 here. And 1 here that I sent you earlier this week to help you watch the videos and prepare for the test. Your test is tomorrow in science over properties of matter. Please play the Kahoot. It will help you. So this is what you need to be doing through today. So that is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, which is today. Tomorrow, I will try to put together another video for you explaining what we are doing tomorrow. So you need to get these assignments finished and turned in. If you have any questions, please email me, or you can have Mom Dojo me, and I will try to help you as soon as I can. But yeah, so thank you for watching this, and I hope this helped you to get caught up. Bye.